Mastering Salutations, the art of formal and informal greetings. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our lesson today. We're diving into a very important part of written communication, salutations. This lesson focuses on distinguishing between formal and informal salutations in English email writing. Understanding this distinction is crucial, as it sets the tone for your entire message. Salutations are greetings or expressions of goodwill at the beginning of an email or letter. They're your first interaction with your reader and have a big impact on how your message is received. In English, we have two main types of salutations: formal and informal. Formal salutations are typically used in professional or business correspondence, or when you're writing to someone you don't know well. These salutations show respect and are more distant, reflecting a professional tone. Examples of formal salutations include: Dear Mr. Smith, Dear Dr. Johnson, Dear Professor Adams. Notice that formal salutations usually include a title, Mr., Dr., Professor, and the recipient's last name. Informal salutations, on the other hand, are used in casual or personal emails, or when you're writing to someone you know well. These salutations create a friendly, relaxed tone. Examples of informal salutations include: Hi John. Hello Jane. Hey there, Alex. Notice that informal salutations usually involve the recipient's first name and a more casual greeting. Hi. Hello. Hey there. The primary difference between formal and informal salutations comes down to the level of closeness or familiarity with the recipient and the context of the communication. Formal salutations convey respect and professionalism, whereas informal salutations convey friendliness and familiarity. A good rule of thumb is to start formal if you're unsure, and shift to informal as you build a relationship with the recipient. So there you have it, a crash course in formal and informal salutations in English. The way you greet your reader can set the tone for your entire message, so it's important to choose wisely. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these salutations in your emails. See you in our next lesson.